From the Canva homepage, go to Templates, scroll down until you see AI video effects. You can go to the right and see all. So here are all of the AI video effects that Canva has offered. So for this example, I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to click Add an image, and I'm just going to use this image here. I'm going to create with AI. So this is the final result after Canva has generated the AI video effect, and it actually looks really good. So I can open it in Editor. I can make whatever changes I need here by adjusting filters, for example. Can come over to here, edit filters, maybe change it to a different filter here. Or I can come back here and just download this video to my computer. I can also generate again if I want to get a different result, but most likely you're probably just going to see the same result here. So try this feature out and let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.